Hi friends, this is San from Isan's Digital ID and today I'm here with a video on Kent OTG. So let's get started. So I've ordered this from Amazon for 2800 rupees. I'll give you the link in the description to buy it. You can buy it from there. And this is the Amazon packaging. So let's open this. They have given extra packaging also for this. You can see this is the main box. Keep this box aside, and this is the bill. I bought this for 26.75 rupees. I'll give you the link in the description to buy it. You can buy it from there. Let's see the main product. So this is the Kent Smart Chef Appliances House of Purity product, and this is the oven toaster griller 10 liters, and you can bake, toast, grill and cook and heat also in this. And it is 1050 watt auto shut off function is also available in this one. So let's see certain details. On the back side the product declarations are given. Product code is 16059 and product generic name is electric oven. And net quantity is 1 unit. Packaging contents are OTG, grill rack 1 number, baking tray 1, fork 1 and user manual also. And the gross weight is 3.8 kg and the net weight is 3.1 kgs and maximum power is 1050 watt. So let's open this pack. So this is the Kent OTG instruction manual. The instructions are given inside this and features are also given. And this is, so let's see the OTG. So this is the OTG and they are given 2 baking trays also, you can see. So let's keep this box aside and see the OTG. So these are the 2 baking trays. This is the griller tray and this is the baking tray. Let's keep it aside and let's see this OTG. So this is the fork, you can see. This is the power cable. This is the 10 liter OTG. So let's open this and see. this is very easy to open also, you can see, and it will close automatically. And this is the temperature adjusting mode, and this is the stay on continuous mode button. So let's set this tray inside. Before using this appliance, you should take out all the stickers sticked in this appliance. So let's take out all the stickers. So let's attach this baking tray to this. Have to set this like this here. You can keep anything, and you can close this, and you can set the temperature from here, and it will bake your cake or any another thing also. And you can grill with the help of this tray. This is the grilling tray. You have to set this here, and you will close this lid, and you can grill anything inside this also. So this was the unboxing of Kent OTG. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I've searched many OTGs, but this is the best OTG under 3000 on Amazon. You can buy this on the link given in the description. Bye bye. Meet you in my next video.